Hi, in this video, we're gonna talk about 3 different grooves that you can play on the left hand. So my name is Perrine and welcome to Online Rock Lessons. If you haven't done it already, subscribe to this channel by clicking on the subscribe button just below. I also added a link in the description so you can access a bunch of free content. So make sure that you check it out. All right, let's get started. So for today's video, we're gonna be in the key of D minor, and we're gonna be using the chord progression 1 minor, 6 major, 3 major, and 7 major. In D minor, we have D minor as the first degree, that is minor. We have the 6th is B flat right here. The 3rd, F major, and the 7th, C major. So D minor, B flat major, F major, and C major. All right, so the first accompaniment is gonna sound just like this. All right, so let's see what's going on over there. So the right hand is only going to be playing simple chords. So it's pretty easy because the work is going to be on the left hand. So the formula for this accompaniment is going to be 1, that is the first degree. 5, this is the 5th degree of D minor. So it's A. So D, A, D. Pretty simple. So 1, 5, 1. And then we go to the first one. That is the root note of the next chord in a half note. So one more time. So 1, 2, and 3, 4. Just like this. And then we do the same thing on the next 2 chords. 1, 2, and 3, 4. One more time. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. So same thing on F. We have the first one. This is the 5th note. First, and the root note of C. That's as simple as that. So one more time with the right hand now. 4, 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. All right, now for the second left hand accompaniment. This one is a very useful one because you can use it in ballads, you can use it in a medium rock, you can use it in so many situations. So this is basically what a bass player would play. The rhythm is going to be a dotted quarter note, an 8th note, and a half note. And it sounds like this. So we're going to be using the root note of each chord. So for D minor, that's D. So 1, 2, and 3, 4. For B flat, 1, 2, and 3, 4. For F major, 1, 2, and 3, 4. And for C major, 1, 2, and 3, 4. There you go, with right hand. All right, so for the last accompaniment, we're gonna be using an arpeggio. And it's gonna sound just like this. So the formula for this one is gonna be 1, 5, 1, 5, 3. The minor 3 right here. This is how it sounds so beautiful. 5, 1, 5. There you go. And now for B flat, we do the same thing. So 1, 5, 1, 5. with the right hand. Alright, so there you go with the 3 left hand accompaniment. If you like this type of content, make sure that you subscribe to this channel. And visit our website at onlinerocklessons.com to see more about the courses and the memberships. So have fun with this and have a good practice.